secret lies in the world. Ravens tears they cry, but all the while they softly lie and spy on you. Nightingale's eyes, what will they find left behind? Craven must aspire with hard remains for those who couldn't find the truth. We're blinded, so we're hiding, dying to be. We're hiding from the fighting, longing to see. We're waiting for someone to speak and let us all free, free. Nightingale's eyes can free the ties on our heads. Craven master spies, or can they find the key that can unlock the past? We're blinded, so we're hiding, dying to be. We're hiding from the fighting, longing to see. We're waiting for someone to speak.